this calculator trick will save your time. To solve an integration question from a calculator, all you need to do is press this button below the menu button. Now write the above equation as it is. The coefficient of x is 2, so press 2. So to enter x, just press this alpha button, then press this button. Now scroll up to enter the limits. The upper limit of the question is 2, so press 2. Then scroll down to enter the lower limit. The lower limit is 1, so press 1. Then press equals to. There you go, the final answer of the question is 3. So do practice it because this calculator trick will save your time. To solve a differentiation question from a calculator, all you need to do is press this shift button, then press this button. Now write the above equation as it is. The coefficient of x square is 3, so press 3. Then press this button to enter x. Now press this button to enter the power of x, which is 2, so press 2. Now the coefficient of x is 2, so press 2. Then press this button to enter x. Then scroll right to enter the value of x. Suppose the value of x is 3, so press 3. Then press equals to. There you go, the final answer of this question is 20. So do practice it because this calculator trick will save your time. To solve a quartic equation from a calculator, just press this menu button, then scroll down to the equation section, then press A, then press 2 to select polynomial equation. So for the equation above, the polynomial degree is 4, so press 4. Now write the above equation as it is. The coefficient of x to the power 4 is 1, so press 1. Then press equals to. The coefficient of x cube is 0, so press 0. Then press equals to. The coefficient of x square is minus 13, so write minus 13. Then press equals to. The coefficient of x is 0, so press 0. And the constant is 36, so write 36. Then press equals to again. The first value of x is 3, then press equals to. The second value of x is 2, then press equals to. The third value of x is minus 2, then press equals to again, and the fourth value of x is minus 3.